Welcome to our video on the benefits of drawing for young children. In this video, we will explore the top 3 reasons why drawing can lead to the development of patience in children. From fostering focus and concentration to teaching perseverance, we will dive into how drawing can play a crucial role in shaping a child's character. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, you'll learn how you can support your child's growth and creativity through drawing. So grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. First, drawing requires focus and concentration. Children need to pay attention to the details of what they are creating, and this helps them develop the ability to stay focused on a task for longer periods of time. Second, drawing is a process that takes time. Children need to take their time and not rush through their drawings. This helps them learn to be patient and not to expect instant results. Third, drawing teaches children to persevere through mistakes and challenges. Children will make mistakes as they learn to draw, but they will also learn that mistakes are part of the learning process, and that they can overcome them with practice and perseverance. Overall, drawing is a great way for young children to develop patience, focus, and perseverance. Encourage your child to draw and give them the time and space to create their masterpieces. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of drawing for young children. We hope you learned something new about how drawing can lead to the development of patience and other important skills in children. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We would also love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. And remember, encouraging your child to draw is a great way to support their growth and development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.